Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So we've been decoding Mamwich, changing to Manwich. We got our residue as evidence for the change. We got our extractions, got them to run through all the categories, found the University of New Mexico, converted our extractions into numerology numbers using a numerology chart, got that to run through all the categories. Uh, Connected the University of New Mexico to Manwich through gematria, and then connected that to the other 14 for a total of 15 effects that we've connected so far. And then we converted to simple binary, ran that, got some interesting stuff, and now we're on the alphabetic order. And we've got that to run through the stock market, finance, genetics, medical, chemical, atomic numbers, and now we're on artificial intelligence. So the only thing that happened in Manwich is an M change to an N. So MN are your extractions. And we used this chart to find that M is 13 and N is 14 and converted MN to 1314. And as you can see, this actually, you can keep converting and you wind up with a massive combination of letters and numbers eventually. But we'll get to that at another time. We're going to start going forwards with 1-3 in artificial intelligence. You got volume 13 here. Artificial intelligence in thyroid field, a comprehensive review. So this deals with quite obviously medical, deals with your thyroid. Artificial intelligence uses mathematical algorithms to perform tasks that require human cognitive abilities. AI-based methodologies, example machine learning and deep learning, as well as the recently developed research field of radiomics. I have noticeable potential to transform medical diagnostics. All right. AI-based techniques applied to medical imaging allow to detect biological abnormalities, to diagnostic neoplasms, or to predict the response to a treatment. And I think we'll go to the next one here for time's sake, but here's artificial intelligence in the medical field. Imagine that. We found that quite a bit before. If you move on from that, you got 131. How about artificial intelligence volume 131? And there's a lot of information here. You can see the qualification problem, a solution to the problem of anomalous models, evaluating general purpose automated theorem proving systems, dynamic tunneling based regularization in feed forward neural networks, planning the project management way, efficient planning by effective integration of causal and resource reasoning in real plan, a comparison of point based approaches to qualitative temporal reasoning, on function dependencies in Q-horn theories, field reviews, a new style of review article for artificial intelligence, 2 machine learning textbooks, an instructor's perspective on the state of the art machine learning, a personal review, and author's response to reviews of machine learning. And so you got a few things going on there. If you move on from that, you got 31. You do have top 31 artificial intelligence and machine learning companies. I think we've gone through some of those before. Um, how about December 31st, 2018, the most amazing artificial intelligence milestones so far? And there's a date, December 31st, 2018. I was just looking up Mrs. Dash after seeing Danny's video. Apparently, they actually rebranded that. December 31st, 31st. And what year did that say? Whoop. 2018. Oh, well. We'll just see if anything interesting happened. You never know about these things. Dean Ford, Thomas McGee, Scottish singer songwriter, dies from complications relating to Parkinson's disease. That was before they had the boogie bug. And not really seeing a whole lot. And that's all right. I've learned to check dates and just see what's there and what isn't there. So I think we've gone through some of these artificial intelligence companies before. So I don't think we need to get into those again. But there's a lot of dates with 31 in it. Why artificial intelligence isn't intelligent. October 31st, 2019, we shouldn't be scared by super intelligent AI. Well, I don't know about scared, but we should probably be concerned. That's just my opinion. The decade of artificial intelligence, December 31st. Towards science data, basic artificial intelligence and machine learning, May 31st. So you got some dates here. How artificial intelligence is transforming the world. 31 right here. So there's a few things they could calculate here. And actually, pretty sure this goes on. There might be something interesting on page 2. Page is 31 right here. So the ambiguous labor market impact of automating prediction. Code 31, machine learning, reasoning, and intelligence. Yeah. So there's your code 31. The machine learning, reasoning, and intelligence program focuses on developing the science base and efficient computational methods for building versatile intelligent agents, cyber and physical, that can perform various tasks with minimal human supervision. In addition, they should be able to collaborate seamlessly with teams of humans and other agents in environments that are unstructured, open, complex, and dynamically changing. And this is onr.navy.mil. Mathematics, computers, research, machine learning, reasoning, intelligence. So, yeah, that would be the most interesting thing to me on 31. But we'll move on. Needless to say, there's stuff there that if it were a quantum computer, they could calculate on. A bottomless well of information. Move on from that. You got 314. We're still coming forwards. You got COS 314. And this ends up being the main objective of this module is to introduce a selection of topics from artificial intelligence and provide students with background. So This is another university. History 314, History of Artificial Intelligence at Rice University. There's another university that they could calculate. Computer Science, University of Miami. So there's all these universities they could calculate off of through artificial intelligence. Let's see what else they got. I know I'm probably running this longer than I want. Graduate programs, E1314. Anything else? But that's a lot of classes, a lot of universities. Yep, there's more colleges. There you go, ScienceDirect.com, Artificial Intelligence in Medicine, Volume 4. And there's your 314. So here's more artificial intelligence in medicine. We just had thyroid, right? For time's sake, I think we're going to move on, though, to the whole thing going forward, 1314. Well, since there seems to be a pattern here, how about artificial intelligence and machine learning and cardiology? So there's more medical applications for artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence in nuclear cardiology. So here's similar articles. Machine meets biology, a primer in artificial intelligence in cardiology and cardiac imaging. Anybody think this is a coincidence that we're coming into all this medical artificial intelligence through these numbers? I don't. But that's just my opinion. All right, that gets you through going forward. Now we're going to start coming back. Start with 41. The golem in the age of artificial intelligence. And if AI will not physically annihilate or replace us, it might just alter us beyond recognition. We might become something non-human. Well, we might. Well, somebody might. I won't, but somebody might. Artificial intelligence impact on the fashion industry, if that's important. Technology plus artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence in medical education. PubMed. There you go. Artificial intelligence in medical education. I don't think I need to get into that. I'm seeing a pattern here. But we move on from that, 413. Usable artificial intelligence coursicle. Computer science, San Francisco University. So here's all these universities. North Dakota State University, I believe. Yep. Computer science. Heading toward artificial intelligence 2.0, Science Direct, anticipating artificial intelligence. Nature. But let's just move to the next page and see if that. It wouldn't have to be on everything, but anticipating artificial intelligence, again, concerns over AI is not simply fear mongering. No, it isn't. Warwick artificial intelligence. Identifying artificial intelligence, methods for field application. Now, they could calculate off of any of this. You got more courses, more universities. Heading towards artificial intelligence 2.0. Let's go one more. Department of Computer Science, Central Michigan. More courses. Computer Science and Engineering, Washington.edu. Artificial Intelligence, CCS University. Virtual Booth AI platform provides a robust and clinically validated algorithm which is driven by both traditional and new era of machine learning. Animal computer interaction. I don't know. I just feel like there's probably something medical here if I keep going, but we don't necessarily need to find it, even if it's there. There's plenty here they could calculate off of if it were a computer. Computer and Information Science, Artificial Intelligence Software, LLC. Computer Science and Engineering. Computer Science, and that was Texas A&M. More stuff they can, more universities. 413. These all have 413 in it. So, well, I think we're just going to move on. That's plenty. Lots of universities they can calculate off of if it were a computer. And now the whole thing coming back, 4131. Here's a course hero, artificial intelligence. So there's a course. Abstraction for solving large incomplete information games. The U.S. Senate passes bill aimed at countering China's tech sector. National Commission on Artificial Intelligence in March warned that China could surpass the U.S. in the world's AI superpower within a decade. Yep, and the number's there, 4131. So that's interesting. Artificial intelligence technical reports. Uncertainty in artificial intelligence. And just for kicks, I know I've gone longer than I wanted to. We'll see what's on page 2. George Mastre Vidal. His main research interests are artificial intelligence, pattern recognition, and information security. So they could look at this guy's research. And 4131, it's right here. So, predicting the response. Oh, why not? Predicting the response of high frequency spinal cord stimulation in patients with failed back surgery syndrome, a retrospective study with machine learning techniques. So here you go again, artificial intelligence in the medical field. And that seems to be the pattern there, and that gets you through going forwards and backwards in artificial intelligence. Sorry it ran so long. Sometimes I'm overwhelmed with what's there, and sometimes I feel like I just got to go through it. So that's what we did here. And then it runs long. But get used to it, because when we get to South America, that's going to run long. That's a hell of a big code. So I guess that's going to be it for this video. So we will do robotics next. So for now, guys, thanks for all your thumbs up, thumbs down when appropriate. Thanks for all your comments, leads, feedback, and subscriptions. And thanks for watching, guys. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your day.